everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We out here at Peabody Community Garden today. I'm not gonna make it too long of a video, but I'm gonna just walk around and let y'all see the activity that's going on here today. All right. How to DIYs.
And you already got videos out there?
Oh yeah, it's nice. Okay. I'll fit the videos on there.
Those are some kind of bush beans. They're not dry, but I think they need more water. These over here are tomatoes and like I was talking about different type of pepper. That's a green bell. There's like a little label. I don't know. These are bananas. There's some banana pepper. See them over there? I see the yellow pepper over there. There's the yellow banana pepper. I planted some eggplants. They did something. Ate little. I read about it, but I forget what I read. Little pinholes in the plants and killed my transplant. They were little though, and we had to ask Trisha more about that. But the transplants, they were really little when I put them out, so maybe they were too small. Maybe I put them in too soon. So these are our peppers. watered yesterday and the day before, like pretty heavily, but still it needs more water.
They get enough sun with the trees and everything?
You know what? We're not sure. What we did, we planted here last year. There was a few tomato plants over there. That's why we put the cucumbers over there. The cucumbers were up here last year. I can't remember what was here last year. But we planted here, like it might get enough sun between the afternoon and about the time see it's getting sunlight now. And then this gets sunlight in the morning. Before we had squash here last year. There was orange squash right there. So that's why we didn't put squash here. So we had okra for like 4 the okra light, that's the whole plant down there. Somebody donated so we had to let it finish composting. So that's why, didn't plant up there. So we'll probably start putting stuff in there for a fall garden this year still. Because I'll show you
That's where it starts.
Oh, you look at
I go out there and look up at the house.
There you go. You talk to I talk to mine.
I talked to mine too.
I talk to my flowers too.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Exactly.
Every time I pick a vegetable, I say thank you.
Yeah, you're supposed to. You're supposed to. It's like people bring stuff over here, like somebody brought Coke.
I'm still learning.
Somebody there. And we let it break down with leaves and paper and cardboard.
Composting.
Cardboard takes longer. And we make soil. It'll eventually you can do, if you do something like, David went and studied with Roy Allen up in Minneapolis. If you make a bed like this, you take something dry like leaves and newspaper, raw vegetables, fruit, peel, and layer it, and just leave it. It takes about a year to break down, I think.
So you don't have to turn.
You don't have to turn if you do that. That's like a static composting method. Or if you turn it, it breaks down faster. It'll heat up. Like if we dug down into the middle of this, it's probably I'm gonna put my book on. It's garden pears and nails. Yeah, but
Here's my card. You can look on
I can feel heat.
my YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to do
But if you
composting.
get
You
it,
turn it
after
into
a
I use
while,
coffee
it'll get
grounds.
really,
start
really
with-
hot. And it's starting to steam it. You can
Type
see
it in,
this
you'll be
stuff.
repeat on YouTube, and it'll come right up.
Okay. And it'll
York.
get crumbly, loose. We brought some of our red wiggler worms over here at one point. And so probably if you go far enough into this compost, there's worms in there. They don't like it raw. They won't stay, they're surface feeders, but they only like a cooler temperature, a little cooler than this is probably. So they're probably down in the bottom of this. And it's a special kind of worm called red wigglers, and they're ferocious eaters. And they break it down and make really good compost. So this is ready to put in the... Not quite. Yeah, we use some of this, but I think it's a little lighter than you might want. Like you might want to broke down a little bit more, I would say. Because see, it's still kind of woody and chippy. A little bit. I mean, this is pretty good, but I think like if you dig down in there, but what we did, we're like real manual, okay? Because where's that thing we used?
The 50?
Yeah, oh, there it is. Look, we put this stuff up there, sifted out the wood chips onto that screen, let the soil all through, and then put it in the garden this year. So they're good.
You put them in compost.
You can put them in your compost, your coffee grinds. I put eggshells in there, but I bake them first because otherwise you get maggots. Yeah.
That's what I use
I
coffee
bake them and
grinds.
dry them out, and then you can crush them. The worms like them. I think they need that, and they're good for chickens too. They put calcium into their diet, and they need grit. Chicken grit. I'm not a chicken person.
So can you put the
Afraid
eggs?
of chicken.
The eggs on the soil?
The gates. Oh yeah. That's what she said. Ma'am, what'd you say?
Can you put the baked eggs directly into the soil if you already got the garden started?
Yes. You could put it in there. You could put it in your compost. I guess you could probably put it into, crush them.
Yeah.
And put them into your soil. Coffee grinds too. Coffee grinds are you can put coffee grinds. When we make our compost, we use wood chips, we use leaves, we use straw, paper, grass clippings, vegetable peels. If you have, one thing I like about composting, you know how you have, Americans waste a lot of food. And you feel really guilty, right? Throwing out good food, throwing out food that you let spoil.
Yeah.
But at least when you compost it, you know it's going to go and replenish the earth and make you some more good food. So I feel good about it. Like if you have old bananas.
Like, you compost at home, like, have a weekend, like, I live in a apartment, and I live upstairs. How could I compost? Like,
You can compost it in like a rubber bag or something. But I don't know if you want to.
You can use a 5-gallon
Go
bucket.
ahead and buy it.
what about bringing over here? Like, when I juice and stuff, you know, we have a lot of cold, and sometimes
Oh, I see.
you can bake with the cold, but I don't have time all
You
the
don't have
time.
time to do that.
And I was thinking maybe I could keep it and then bring it over here.
You could end up yeah.
Now tell me why the soil is not like up to the top. Right. It's kind of low. Is that
That's how
recommended? Because I feel mine up to about maybe an inch to the top. Is that not right?
blowing in my eyes. I don't know. David went to Will Allen's training and learned how to build these, and I don't know what they taught him, and I've never done. You know, I think our bins at home might, about like this, about ground level, but people do. I think they raise beds so that they can garden higher. You know, like more like this. Without bending over and then to make more time. That's real nutrient-rich stuff I'm talking about. And we are
What compost is y'all using right now? It's ready.
we went and dug down in the middle and got out the top, sifted it, put it into the bed.
All right, everybody. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is just another quick video. Today is Sunday, and like I said, we had a class over here. So if y'all want to come out to the class, this is the Peabody Garden in sunny South Dallas. They still got some beds that are available. So you guys are thinking about it or on the fence, come on down. All right, peace.